Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the small caps on our radar. First, we have a brand new profile for you to look at as we head into Tuesday's session. This company is sitting at that critical $1 level right now. Pull up GAME, G-A-M-E, GameSquare Holdings immediately and start researching it. GAME's mission is to revolutionize how brands and game publishers connect with hard-to-reach Gen Z, Gen Alpha, and Millennial audiences. Their next-generation media, entertainment, and technology capabilities drive compelling outcomes for creators and maximize its brand partners' return on investment. Through their purpose-built platform, the company provides award-winning marketing and creative services, offering leading data and analytics solutions and amplifying awareness through the FaZe Clan, one of the world's most prominent and influential gaming organizations. With one of the largest gaming media networks in North America, as verified by Comscore, they are reshaping the landscape of digital media and immersive entertainment. GameSquare's largest investors are Dallas Cowboys owner Jerry Jones and the Goff family. And if you look at the chart, you can see that GAME is prime for a significant move. There's also a short in game. According to FinViz, 4.23% of the float is short. So there's short squeeze potential written all over GAME. Key highlights include management expects over $100 million in annual revenue and annual gross margins to range between 22.5% to 27.5% for 2024. FaZe Media, a GameSquare company, has announced a new multi-year, multi-million-dollar sponsorship and licensing deal with G Fuel. GAME just joined the Russell Microcap Index this summer. GameSquare Holdings, it recently reported record 2024 second quarter results. And again, their largest outside investors are Dallas Cowboys owner Jerry Jones and the Goff family. John C. Goff, he's the founder of Goff Capital, CEO of Crescent Real Estate, and the chairman of Contango Oil and Gas. So a lot of big players, smart money behind GAME. But don't just take our word for it. Start your research. To read our full report on GAME, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. There is no spam and your info is never shared. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on, guys. Oracle had earnings after the bell. Shares were up over 5.9% in extended trading as the IT giant reported stronger than expected first quarter results and new partnerships with Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud. Tomorrow, we're getting earnings from Petco Health and Wellness Company, WOOF, and GameStop, GME. It's been bidding up here over the past couple of days. Big options trade the other day. Ahead of that Roaring Kitty tweet, but they had closed that position already, so that was a short-term trade, 10,000 options. So it's very suspicious that it might have been Roaring Kitty putting on that trade ahead of that tweet. He made whoever did it made a quick $500,000. So that certainly was interesting. But again, we're going to get earnings tomorrow, so let's see how it plays out. In terms of the overall markets, we got a nice bounce today ahead of the Wednesday CPI data. Economists expect the core inflation rate to be up 0.2% month over month and 3.2% year over year. And then Thursday, 8:30 a.m., the August PPI report will be released. Economists expect core PPI to be up 0.2% month over month. In terms of my positioning, in terms of options trades right now, as I talked about that last night, I'm going to be sharing some of those ideas with you guys on the channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Not seeing anything that I really like. We're right now between support and resistance. Markets could go either way. I don't like the setups. If you don't like the setups, it's best off not doing anything. Lastly, guys, the short squeeze names on my scanner are starting to pop up. First up is Summit Therapeutics. Shares were up over 55% today, after its investigational bispecific antibody reduced the risk of disease progression or death by 49% compared to Merck's blockbuster cancer therapy Keytruda in the first-line treatment of lung cancer patients. Then we had Citi analysts came out and promoted Summit Therapeutics as a top pick in a note following the latest clinical trial data. Citi praised the data, which showed reduced risk of disease progression or death by 49% compared to Keytruda in the first-line treatment of lung cancer patients. Analysts said Summit's drug candidate decisively beat Keytruda and exceeded just about all clinical expectations against the current gold standard immunotherapy Keytruda, suggesting it is a solid emerging blockbuster. And key here is 20% of the float is short. Shares of Applied Digital were up over 44% today. We got news last week. AI chip giant NVIDIA is joining other investors in a $160 million financing round for the company. Through a private placement, Applied Digital agreed to issue just under 50 million shares at a price of $3.24, representing the last closing price on September 4th. Also, in addition to NVIDIA, real estate firm-related companies participated. The deal brings fresh capital for Applied Digital and is expected to help fund growth at the company and underpin planned debt financing deals. The data center and AI cloud firm, which had a market value of more than $500 million as of Wednesday's close, it's since doubled. We got a $1 billion market cap, is seeking debt financing for a major data center project in North Dakota, as well as to expand its cloud computing business. 16% of the float is short. Lastly, guys, Workhorse, WKHS, is finally bouncing after an order from FedEx for 15 W56 step vans. During a demonstration, the W56 met FedEx's operation duty cycle requirements with an average fuel economy of 31 miles per gallon, compared to 7 miles per gallon for traditional delivery trucks, and eliminates an estimated 607 metric tons of tailpipe emissions annually. The FedEx order comes less than a month after Workhorse raised doubts it can continue as a going concern, as sales were down 78% to less than $1 million, and working capital fell by 92% to just $5.3 million. At the time, Workhorse warned of its ability to continue operations as a result of recurring losses from operations, accumulated deficit, projected capital needs, along with delays in bringing vehicles to market and lower than expected market demand. 19% of the float is short. So again, closed at 75 cents, trading higher in the after hours, 85 cents. Looks like we want to test the $1, but again, just really got into an oversold condition here. The news propelling the bounce. Still, I would trade it, not own it. And overall, good luck to all except the shorts. I will also be scanning the pre-market. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. However, Tuesday's primary focus is GAME. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to invest in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for momentum plays with catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Sika Media for sponsoring this video on GAME. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.